So we've found some really interesting things over the course of the last few days here at Edutech in terms of key trends. And the important thing that we're finding is moving away from just giving a device as a replacement for, say, a notebook, but working towards providing a device for a learning outcome.
So the idea is really around providing the best possible device and platform and software and hardware to ensure that teachers and students have access to the latest technologies to ensure that we can actually have deeper learning through the use of technology in the classroom.
Infrastructure in the higher education space is extremely important. It's important because it allows universities to differentiate against fellow universities in order to secure what is the all-important grants. We've got some really strong capability in the high-performance compute space. One of the world's largest supercomputers in Adelaide University is testament to this. Not only how we architectured it, but how we, alongside the university, were able to deliver that in under 6 weeks. We're addressing the changing and more demand to be more agile with the universities in our hyper-converged technologies. This includes our partnership with Nutanix, DataCore, and SimpliVity.
Lenovo has invested in building our product specifically for education, and an example of that is the Yoga 11E. It's a ruggedized notebook specifically built for the K-12 space.
One of the benefits of having a device that's quite flexible in nature, being able to take the keyboard off and make it into a mobile device, means that we could be sitting there typing away, but if we need to then move somewhere and go outside of the classroom, it's great to have a device that enables us to take that learning outside of the classroom with us. And the way in which we learn is very different. We don't always learn by writing or typing. When we think differently. So the fact that we could use software like OneNote, for example, and the use of a pen to use handwriting is a really great benefit to learning. There's some great research out there by Professor Sharon Oviatt who discusses the fact that you actually can generate up to 56% more ideas when using a pen instead of a keyboard. And the basic reason for that is because we're not actually having to think about typing, and that's not getting in the way of our creativity and our idea generation.